Hello. Okay. So, what is the next step? Yeah, I think making my projectile work, but I also want to do some refactoring. Uh, because my clients, my Colossus client doesn't really make sense. It should be only for the game. Only for the game server I should have an offline wall, but otherwise I want to be connected to WebSocket every time. So that's something I want to refactor, but I don't really know how to do that without breaking everything. Yeah, I don't know. Or I can, uh, or I can just have one client and offline boolean, and when I have an offline boolean, I'm not changing my game state, but what I'm changing is my game. With silence. Changing my game room. I don't know. I don't know how to do that correctly. Because I'm going to have a lot of code here. And actually this is only code that is related to my game. I think it should be splitted. You know, like my client getting 3 room. My client getting 3 room. Yeah, but I'm calling. I don't know. I don't know how to do that. I still need to listen. Well, I'm not listening, so I still need to emit this thing, but it could be. Could be emits lobby room dot something, and I'm extending the lobby room. Except I'm not really extending the lobby room, but and I don't have any lobby room related code inside it. And once I have that, I can change on the. I could change the game room to be like something either managed but by my socket or manage it by myself. And I just have one client. I have 3 room, an offline one also. Yeah, this thing just manage which room I have. But it's a big it's really a big refactoring. Yeah. I do something like rooms and then I have game room. Well, maybe game clients. Yeah, maybe I should have game clients and player selection client, lobby client, and then I have an offline client, or game offline client. And the game offline client get an abstract. And yeah, I think from a folder from, yeah, it should be, maybe I don't need to do that, but it should be like something like game clients. Offline clients. And then player selection clients. And then the lobby client. Well, it's this. Yeah. Maybe I should have also a game abstract client. Maybe I should have a game abstract client also. Game abstract clients. Let's say I'm going to do, and technically I remove my codices and my offline now. Everything happens inside my client. It's not abstract anymore. And I'm only making work for the online right now, but I want something like, I take my lobby client and I take my codices. Well, let's call it game. Let's call it lobby client. Extend nothing. Then I have a proxy, so I still keep the lobby room. And I keep the lobby state. So if I go to my client here, and let's take my codices also. Yeah, maybe I'm going to have, I'm wondering something. Yeah, but one of the problems is that my codices, my lobby client, is going to call emit player selection init. That means it needs the parent. Yeah, it needs the parent injected because it's going to call function from my parent. It's not going to do this emit player selection, but it's going to do this parent player selection init, you know, or selection init. That means that all my sub clients need the top one, need the parent one. Yeah, or I can have event system for that also, but I don't think it's a good idea. My parent array, making my child aware of the parent is a better idea. Yeah, I think so. So I'm going to have something like that. So lobby client is going to have a lobby user. I don't even know if it needs a lobby user. I think it needs that. This thing is not used, not used. Can remove that. So I can remove that. Can remove that, remove that, remove that. I need a lobby room. I need the lobby user and I need the lobby state. Lobby state. Okay, so I don't need anything. Yeah, I need my client here. That's really the trick. Yeah, what does it refer to? Is the club's values never read? Constructor get client client and this dot client dot is equal to client. Yeah, but it's not going to be yeah, it's too big refactoring. I not. But yeah, the reason I'm doing that is I just want to have only my game state be offline for test purpose and for what the fuck. And yeah, for test purpose for offline version. So it only needs that. Can get an ID. So the ID is going to be session ID. Don't need that. I only need an init. And a start. That's it. That's all I need. So I still need to instantiate them. Okay. I don't need that, I don't need that, I don't need that. Need that. Okay, I still need the collectors one. I have the schema one. What's wrong with that? I'm wondering what's wrong. Yeah, this thing is poor because this thing need to do this dot client emit player selection units. Not going to be called that way. But why do I have an error here? Self assignment of any value. Huh. Maybe they should be called not clients. Because I have too many clients. Yeah, a rules folder with can have an offline move. Doesn't matter. I have a game move, I have an offline move. Yeah, it's going to work. Well, the thing is, I have a room. I'm not extending the Coliseus lobby room. It's not what I want to do. I still want to use. I can do that later, but problem is this college. Okay, I'm missing something. If I take like I have my lobby client, I take my codices. I need that. Ah, yeah, but does it need to be injected? Yeah, it need to be injected. Because it's always the same, so it need to be injected. So I need, yeah, do I need, yeah, but if I don't, if I take the client, I'll already have it. I can do a client coliseus. Yeah, I know that's strange. It's like my children going to use this parent function a lot. Yeah, let's try like that. We can still do that. Yeah, why it's not happy now? It does not exist on clients. Yeah, it's because yeah, my abstract client doesn't have it. So yeah, it's a mistake that's going to be resolved later. Yeah. So I need this almost the same thing for the player selection client. Yeah, I don't like the name to be called clients. It's too much client. Yeah, it's okay. Because calling it room is stupid. It's also stupid. Call it state is stupid. So let's keep it client. So I don't need lobby user. Still got injected the client. This thing is going to be your selection. Let's take my clients. So I need a player selection state. Need that. Yeah. Hey, yeah, do I need that also? But yeah, yeah, but that's, I don't know who should be responsible for. Because the game state never changed, so it's okay to have it inside my parent. I don't know. So if I take my constructor, so when nothing is, yeah, I still want the default one. Also want that for my lobby. I don't need it apparently. Why? I think I still need that. There's something by default. Happy about that, that's normal. Player selection clients. So I have the room. I need the state schemas. I need the default one I already have there. I don't need. I need player selection state, and it's. I need the codices. Okay. So player selection room is that. I have it. State. Now I have the state. Just take the state. I want to init the state. So now I want to return the room. Dot ID. Dot session ID. Yeah, it could be a call room instead and lobby room. Yeah, I need to change the name also. Don't need to be lobby. Lobby, it's a lobby because it's a lobby room. Okay, so what's wrong with that? Yeah, but this thing should work. I don't have the so same thing, but you're not a lobby room. You are. I take my selection. That. Well, lost everything. Okay. It's not here, it's here that fast. Okay, pass that. Oh, why? I'm using my lobby user to have my game mode. Yeah, but I don't have my lobby user, of course. Yeah, they need communication from each other. And that's, maybe I should have my game init work. This one. Just this user instead. Room instead. State instead. So let's have my default client work first. But all you need is a creation of the codices. Let's just have client, I want to just keep it, so reference. Okay. Can just change this one. I don't need all that. That. What do I need? Yeah, I need my scene. I don't need that. I don't need the state. I need the scene. The game and the scene. Don't need that. And I need the most important things is I need this thing. I need that, absolutely. So I need the Colossus clients. Okay. So I don't have the state anymore. So all I have right now. And of course I need the boom. Well, I need the client, the individual client. So I need something, if I just take my lobby for now. I take lobby client and lobby client. Just after having my scene store, I need to do this lobby client equal to new lobby client. And I'm sending myself. Okay, so I need that for the player selection also. Player selection clients. New player selection clients. Sending myself. Yeah, for the game it's going to be more complicated. Because for the game yeah, it's just an instance that's it's still going to be game clients, but it could change on the could change anytime, you know, like having game offline and bam, it change. Yeah, good question. So now I don't have anything inside my game clients. Should have game offline client and game client. Feel like it's make more sense to have game offline client and a game online client and a game client. Yeah, I feel like it make more sense. So now it's not abstract anymore. So it's also going to have a game client. So my game client is, for now, it's just going to be abstract class game client export. Okay. All it has right now, I just import it because it's also need the client. So client, let's just have my lobby. So need that, and it need that. So the client it's all it need right now. Still have an error. Yeah, it's an abstract, of course. Yeah, that's why I need some configuration to say I'm going to instantiate the offline or the online one. Right now it's going to do the game online, of course. But let's take my game online for seconds. My game offline to extend game client, and it just sees that equals super client. So that should fix this error. Game client and game offline. My client, so just take it. Should fix the error. I don't have a game client here. Client. Okay. So now yeah, so I don't know which design pattern I'm using. It's when the children is aware of the parents. But you can change which client on the yeah. I don't. I'm serious on them, but it feel like it's going to be over architecture, but just to replace my own offline with my online, I just need to change this line of code, and I'm done for that. That's really great, and I can do it on the constructor. You know, I can have a switch function that change that, and all the other stuff stays the same. That's the main idea behind it. So I'm not sure it's a good idea, but I'm too far in it to change. Yeah, I'm going to try this way. Yeah. So first step, so now let's take by my lobby client. So I still have this error, this client emit player selection init, because what I need to do now is I need to do this client lobby player selection. So should it be called prefix client or not? Maybe I should only call it lobby. Yeah, I think so. Just lobby, just player selection, just game. Wow. Ah, I have 2 game now. Yeah, fuck. Ah. Yeah, I didn't think of that. I cannot call it game. Ah, that's too bad. That's too bad. Yeah, I didn't think of that. I can call it world, but it suck also. I can call it main, it's also suck. I can keep it game client. I can keep the game client. Yeah, I didn't think of that. But okay, let's keep the suffix. So I have this client, this player selection client, and then I have what it was doing before? Name it player selection. So same things except I'm doing and of course it's not emit player selection, it's just init now. Okay. This is the first one, so let's do the player selection now. So I need the Coliseus one. Coliseus one, so I have my ID, this is good. I have this thing, crash. So why is crashing? Yeah, I need to do this client Coliseus, of course. So also need to call room and state. If my room, so this thing should work. Yeah, I need I need the lobby user because I'm storing inside the game mode. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, I can do that of course, but I yeah it's not like I don't feel like improving the design. Because yeah, of course, this is the trick. Is I can get my my lobby user now this way. Of course, I can do that, but does it improve the design? Honestly, I'm really not sure. I can do that, of course. And it's not lobby user, it's just user, I think. Game mode. And access my user this way. And what about the player config? Ah, it's a good question. What about the player config? Where do I init that? I think it's default. No. This player config, I think it's default to something. Yeah, if I take my old clients, I probably think that I'm assign my player config to a default one. Yeah, it doesn't exist now because it doesn't exist on this file. It just doesn't exist there anymore. But here I should have a player config. Yeah, I have a player config default. Well, do I need to track it? Do I change it after that? Am I changing it? Yeah, I'm changing it. I'm definitely changing it. Yeah, it's like wait a minute. I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Yeah, I need a default config by journal create. Okay, I understand that. But after that, when I'm emitting that, so it's on my player selection, I'm emitting that, I need to send the player config. But yeah, that's a thing. Do I need to store it? Why am I storing it? I can just I receive that. It's a player. It's not a player model. I'm sending to the room. I don't need to store it anywhere. Yeah, it's because when I'm doing my game init, I'm going to use my player config. That's why I need to store it. The same reason why I store my lobby user. That's the exact same reason I store my lobby user. Uh-huh. Yeah. Let's think about it for 1 second. I'm never listen. Yeah, I do hear. I'm listening the fact that I changed my player config and I'm starting it, but shouldn't be there that because I'm sending back the same things. That's why I can do that. Yeah, I can do that. That's a that yeah, that's a minimalist and bad design, but let's keep it that way. I just keep it that way. So I did that for my user, so let's just say I have a player config that I'm store also. Player config. Where is it? I can just I can just have that, let's just have it there. Public player config. So I don't need that, don't need that, I don't need that. So I also, yeah, I'm not instantiate the room. I don't need to, I'm doing it inside the init. Yeah, I love this music. Oh yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, bum. So my server receives that, and all I need to do now is just player config. It's receive the default one. Player, so it's equal to config default player config. Now you should be able to send it without problem. Okay, so let's do the start first. So yeah, I copy paste not the good things. I fucked up my copy paste. So this is good. Oh, okay, this is. Why am I using lobby? Ah, yeah, I still need to use. Yeah, that's one of the problem. Yeah, still need to do that. But this thing is wrong. The start. This is supposed to be that. Let's get back a player config. And it's sending player ready. Sending player ready. Oh, it doesn't change. What changed is just that it's just I'm sending to my room. No, this is a tricky part. So this thing is correct, but what I need to do is, so I need to start. Well, that's a good question. I don't know if it started in the right place, but it's just going to be client, player selection client. Well, actually, using lobby scene after, so kind of stupid. It's only yeah, it needs to be this client lobby scene start. Maybe I should have a function for that, you know, but instead of this client lobby start. Okay, I keep it that way for now. What's wrong here? So I'm listening for the room state player, this is correct. I'm getting back player config schema. Listening for the change, so that's all I need to change is this thing. So I need to do this client dot. It's going to crash, but the idea is to have a game client and then an init. Of course it doesn't have an init right now, so it doesn't work, but it will work later. Yeah, so I can get rid of that. Now what I need to do is I need to add an init function and a start function inside my game client. Going to be abstract. So I don't know what the start's going to receive. Init received nothing. Let's say the start doesn't receive anything now. Okay, abstract public. Does it cannot have a core if it's abstract? I think it's public abstract, I don't know. Okay. Why do I have an error here? You need a return type. Yeah, but you return a promise. Maybe if I do. Ah, it's annoying. Promise void, I don't know. Okay. So let's do my online client now. So if I do my online client, let's take the function. Yes. Okay, so now what's going to happen? I don't know why I don't have the assign keyword here. So now I need I just need a start and an init, but what I need inside it is I take my collapses. So I need a state and a room. This is my game room, going to be, let's keep it game room now. And I need the state also, so it's inside my client. Oh, inside my old client, I need a state, game state. Okay. State. Let's back my game state. I need to instantiate them. I also need my client. Take my lobby. Seconds. I need my client. Okay. To do this game state is equal to state. And the game room most important one, so how do I instantiate them? I don't. Yeah, of course I don't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. I just need the game room, that's a room, and yeah, I'm going to need also data, but I don't know what. Let's just copy past the game init. Let's copy past all this thing. Okay. I come back. Hello. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, okay, so now I have all this error. This thing. Okay, let's just lobby client. So I have that. I need that. Why do I need for the womb? I need the config. I need the game state. State schema, so just can. Okay. And the game state. Okay. I need to init. So let's rename that to room. Let's rename that to state. It's room, so why it doesn't? I need the player config for the room. I'm surprised. Why do I need the player config? Game room. Player config. Player config. Haha. No, I'm sending the player config to my. Yeah. Well, I don't need it there. I don't need to track it. I already have it inside my client player selection. Yeah, I'm sending my player config and yeah, okay, I see why I did that. Yeah, okay. So client dot player selection dot player config. Still have an error. So this room. Ah, yeah, of course. Of course. So this is done. What next? So next, this thing. Just import that. Yeah, so yeah, that's the tricky part. I need my game scene inside my client. I don't have it right now. So I don't know where it was, but yeah, I need this thing. I need this thing on my client. client. I need this function. Happy about that. Yes. Why you not? Because yeah, lobby user game mode. That's a very good question. Yeah, I really don't like how I store my data. I mean, I'm storing them in yeah, technically it's inside the lobby room now, the lobby client and the user and the game mode. But it also could be on the player selection, could be anywhere. I don't really like how it's done, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure its design is good. I have my game client. Okay, so what's wrong with that now? So now you should have a game scene. I don't have a game scene. Yeah, you have it. These things. Does it need to be client game scene? Not happy about that. Why not? Yeah, I'm on the way, it's not happy, sure. Oh. Am I missing something here? Like I'm missing something. I have fast player. Oh, what's wrong with that? Client game scene player, yeah, got children. Yeah, it's finding everything. That's what I don't understand. Ah, missing the player. I I don't like this. These designs suck. I don't know. Well, it sucked, but it solved two problems. It solved the fact that I only need to touch the code uh, from my player selection room inside my player selection room. Same thing for the lobby room, and I can change the instance of offline and online on one time. That's what's the problem solved. But it doesn't solve the problem that it's look like it's really bad, not really good architecture, but Okay. Don't need it. Yeah, same thing. That's funny. Why do I need a... Yeah, because I still need a game key. Why don't you like it, client? Game key. So what's wrong with it? What are you talking about? Oh, of course. So client, player selection client, and then... Oh no, I'm stupid. I just need to do client dot player selection scene. And same thing here. Well, no, I have the game scene. Just need to be client. Okay. And the start. So what about the start? What about the start? This is my start. Yeah, it received the player config. So init and then it's a good question. I don't even know. Yes. Yes. Thing is, I take my boot scene. What? Ah, where did you? This thing doesn't exist anymore. No, my inits they trigger very early. What do they? So what's happened is that my lobby client going to emit lobby start that actually this thing trigger, then sending to the server, then my server listen to some change, ready, and then in the other one. Yeah, start to register the other one when I'm doing that. Not starting, yeah, start init the next one. That's what it does. Of course, I didn't copy the. I I don't even know if I need a start. Yeah, I don't need a start here, so I don't. Just need a game init because yeah, the start is when I'm clicking the start button, I'm triggered the other scene, but I just need an init for the game. I don't need a start. I need a send player update. I'm using this from my scene. Hmm. I don't know if I should only have an update function instead. Just call it update for now. So I don't need a start here, so my game client doesn't need that. Let's say it needs an update. Yeah, what's inside the update? That's the trick. It can be, should be a game state change or something like that. Or just a player change. Yeah, it needs the same signature. Check something. Yeah, but I should also have projectile change. I should track everything here. And the game change should be a game change. It should be like, something like. Mm -mm -mm. Yeah, this one. Call it player instead. Yeah, that's something fishy with that. Yeah, but yeah, only one player change. Only my own player. Oh, so I'll just call it player instead. Yeah, this music. The Laura. Oh, this one is really good. So room, sound. Okay. So now I can get rid of. I can get rid of the. What's inside my index? Yeah, I don't need that anymore. The default client. I don't have a default client. I just have a client. So I don't even need an index. What I need to do is inside my client, I have a set function that change the online client's default online. It shouldn't even, yeah, it instantiate it could be delayed, could be delayed, but doesn't cost anything to. Does it? Does it cost anything to? No, because it's only cost something when I'm in it. So if I go to my game client. Yeah, when I have the constructor, I don't start the server. The server start on the init, so it doesn't cost anything. So it doesn't really matter. And I can do a set client later and change it to the offline one. It can be a default one, won't cost anything. Okay. So where is this call? Just need to be a new client. Yeah, so what's wrong with that? Ah, I already have it. Okay. What's what I sending? I'm sending the game, okay. This game. Let's go away. So I can delete the index, I don't need it. I can delete the index and the Coliseus. So let's be crazy. Delete that and let's delete that. Okay. So now I should have some error. I hope not like 10,000. Again, again. So I have an error here apparently. Yeah, I cannot do that anymore. Yeah, I just need to be client. Let's just say client. Okay. Client. Yeah, it's client. Or am I doing an index instead of a client.ts? I have an index and I only need to do client. Yeah, you know what? I think, yeah, does it make more sense? I don't know, man. I don't know if it makes more sense. Actually, it does. I think it does. You know what? For this perp, yeah, I think it does. Hope you go away. Yeah, don't get rid of that now. Okay, I think I have more error now. No, less. Okay, so what's wrong with that? 41. Ah, of course. You don't extend anything. Yeah. Uh, eh, yeah, but it doesn't even exist anymore. So maybe I should just be crazy. Cause I want to keep the reference of it. Well, know what? Let's not be crazy. Let's just create a file. Okay. Get rid of that. Okay. 84. Of course, no, it's this client dot game client dot state. Huh, yeah. Yeah, of course you can't, because one of the biggest problem now, I didn't think of that, but my game client needs the game state here. Yeah, it's using the game state schema. Yeah. Yeah, that's a problem. But I don't know if it's really a problem. I don't know. Maybe I can proxy the client, not using gameState every time, but just using this client state. Just fix the error first, and we see if we can improve the design. But yeah, I need so game client dot state. Same client ID game client dot ID. Oh, why not? I don't have it also. Okay. Is that a string? Probably a string. No, you're not happy, why? Yeah. Okay. Zero's gone. Oh. Cool, so now you have dot game state. Update. And yeah, so player update. Here. What was the change? Div player? Player div player. Not happy? Why not? Player objects. Oh, it's okay. So now I have a problem with my lobby scene. Same things. So it need to be start and to be not game. What was it? Was lobby. So lobby client. Oh. Yeah. Classic mistake. The lobby and always doing this mistake. Lobby is to be lobby and of course oh, lobby is lobby. Oh yeah, this music. Oh, only good music. Oh, this one is good. Ah yeah, this one is good. Ah, this is where the lobby is in it. Okay. Uh, I don't know. Hmm. Okay, your selection client. Well, it's more verbose, but it's not. I don't know. I feel like I barely improved the design, like barely. Oh yes, this music is so cool. I don't have user? Ah, I still need my lobby user here. This is where I store the name. Huh, yeah, yeah. I don't know. Of course I can have getter for. Yeah, but I don't know. Can I should I be using client lobby client? Yeah, but yeah, technically I should use that, but I should do a get and the get with the ID get back the correct user and using the name. I should do something like with the correct ID and not storing anything inside the username because I already have this information inside my state. I'm storing 2 times the information. I don't know, let's keep it that way, but designs suck. I need to change that. Okay. So it starts there and then it's crashing here. So definitely a problem on my this is where I have the problem. It's not starting it. Oh, this is where it crash. Because I don't have a player. Yeah, I already had this error previously. I don't know. I think this is because my scene start too early. Yeah, it looks like it's inside the game scene. Okay. I have one player. Yeah, this is where it crash, I think. Nothing. Hmm. Yeah, I forget the IDE. Yeah, of course I forget that. It's not really a big error. Well, every time it's the same code for that. Yeah, it's okay, whatever. Game scene. Ah, I had that. Uh, why are you not happy? Ah, okay. Need to be. Need to be that? Probably. I think it's okay now. Ah, oh yeah, of course. Let's have it by default to after the constructor. Let's say it's what for the why is it coloring it? What the fuck is going on? Oh. I think that was a problem. I think that was a problem. Okay. Yeah, now go. Yes, that was a problem. Okay, so I get back to my previous working. No, yeah, now I have something that look like it's more complicated, but I need. No, I think it's better in the long run because now, yeah, now I can change in whenever I want to the offline client. Yeah, I think design could be slightly improved. I could have some getter, to get the state, for example. Yeah, I need the game badly. Also, this thing kind of suck. I mean, yeah, but when I'm inside my client, I can, my lobby client, I could have, I have an ID. This is this is me. Ah, wait a minute. Yeah, yeah, this is me. So I don't need to have lobby client user game mode. This is stupid. I don't need to store the user here. Yes, it looks like it's stupid to store my user. I could have a get mode, I could have something like, but it could be there now, get game mode. Because what I want is a game mode here, and what I need for the game mode is just return this dot uh, lobby client ID and state dot user dot get. This is how I get my mode. Don't need to go to the lobby client or the gameState or anything like that. Technically, whenever I'm using this thing is also this thing could go away. It should be this dot game mode. We're not happy about that. Let's say it return a string. Not returning a string. Can be no, that's your problem. So it's not assignable. Huh? What are you talking about? Oh yeah, of course. Yeah. Need to be game mode after. And you could be undefined from, yeah, no. What do you return here? Return a game mode. What's wrong with that now? Yeah, because... it's a recorder game mode, so... Oh, you think so? Yeah, I think so. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? So I get the game mode, make more sense. I don't need to store anything inside my user at me. I know which user I am because I know the session ID. Okay, I take a break, but I'm trying to... Yeah, cause yeah, the using things now is I can just use my client, and I can have get method that just going to use these things, you know. Okay, so one thing I'm wondering is, for example, inside my start, I think I'm using that, and now I can do just client.game mode. It's not the only place I'm using it. I could do the same with player config. Yeah, but this player config, it should be default, you know. It's received when it's in it. It doesn't have any information, so it makes sense that it's nothing, you know. It should just send an empty or default one. That's what I do, the default one. And I don't have my player config anymore, but I have my player config after that. And how do I get my player config? By getting the correct one with the ID of my session ID. Okay, I have a break. Bye bye, guy.